going to take you through a walk on Soi Buakhao here in Pattaya, Thailand. Keep watching the video. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from JeffLepard.com, and today we're in Pattaya, Thailand. I'm going to do a little walkthrough on Soi Buakhao, a very busy street here in Pattaya. So I guess sit back and I'll take you through it. Street is absolutely busy. I couldn't talk there because of the noise and the live band. Just about everything's on the street. Food, massages, tattoos, rooms for rent, go-go bars. It's a pretty long street actually. I started just around where LK Metro is. And if you come down here, if you notice, there's almost a 7-Eleven every block. It's either a food mart, convenience store, like a 7-Eleven everywhere. Just on the left here, we have the Pattaya City Hospital.
Là, qu'on arrive là, on arrive en bas de l'hôtel. On passe là, on arrive en bas de l'hôtel. Et le petit poste. Non, mais allons bas. Viens,
Another 7-Eleven coming up. How are you? How are you? Nice. Nice. Just a bunch of bar girls and guys trying to get me to go in to have a drink. That's what happens here. They're paid, promo people paid to try to get you into the bars. And of course the ladies will try to get you to buy them a drink. That's also how they get paid. The lady drinks are a little bit more money, and for every lady drink you buy them, they get some money. Just walking by the Holiday Inn Express on the right here. And yet, you can see down there another 7-Eleven. Just about every block. And there you can buy your beer right there. If you're not buying beer or drinks in the go-go bars or lounges, the beer at the 7-Eleven is very, very cheap. I've seen some beer that probably, after converting the baht to the US dollar, was less than a US dollar, or to Canadians would be probably $1.25 a beer. The two beers that I've liked down here so far have been Singa and Chang. Got some live music in here. Yeah, the two beers I like, Singa, Chang. There's a whole pile of other beers. There's Leo, Heineken is a big seller down here. I'm actually a Corona drinker myself back home, but yeah, I just don't want to drink Corona here because I drink it so much back at home. And also the Corona here is definitely the most expensive beer to drink here, for sure. And we have Action Street here. I guess it's a bunch of little mini bars with a bunch of pool. We could take a little walk in there and see how it is. So it looks like, yeah, it's just a little enclosed area. Seems to have a bunch of little bars and lighting. And of course, you can play pool here while you have a couple drinks. Some more pool you can play. Hello.
Very nice.
Okay, continue to walk on. Small bar, pool table. One thing I noticed, I was at a lounge, and the bar girls there really know how to play pool, and they will try to test you to see how much pool you play. And I don't play very much, so they try to challenge you. If they win, you got to buy them drinks. And believe it or not, they are excellent in pool. So I do lose. I seen those guys driving around. I guess a bunch of them rented the bikes, motorbikes. One thing you don't want to do down here is you definitely don't want to get yourself into trouble drinking and driving a motorbike. Probably not a good idea with the Thai police. Hello. So right now we're not at the end of Soi Buakhao. Soi Buakhao is actually a really long road. It might probably take me about a half hour if I were to walk the entire road, but this is sort of getting closer down to where I'm staying, a little closer to Walking Street. So that's about all the action on this side of Soi Buakhao, you know. Pretty much everything is out here, no lighting. So that's it from Soi Buakhao. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell, turn notifications on for upcoming videos. Leave a comment, share the video, like the video, and hey, we'll see you next time from JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.